I'm going to talk about the balance between gadgets and life. You must have heard about addiction. Addiction in drugs, alcohol, tobacco and many more. But have you heard addiction in gadgets? Addiction in gadgets is very common. You may get it even though you don't know it. Well, I'll tell you about my real life experience which led me to my research. I had gone to a restaurant for dinner with my family. When I sat on the table, just beside me another family was sitting, but everyone was silent. All were on their gadgets. None of them talking, just chit-chatting or doing something of the other on their gadgets. I asked my mom. She told to find on the gadgets, like on her phone, and in a little research I got to know it's because of addiction. Addiction is so common that even if you have it, you won't know it. Mostly around you, everyone may have it. So I thought about a questionnaire to a group of people to see that how many people have that addiction cause. And this is what I got. My first question was that how many times do you just flick open your gadgets to see if there is any notification, anything going on your phone? Well, most of the people said they do it sometimes, but none said they never do it. I was so shocked. People know about that, they really use it and just flick open. They didn't know why I asked it. The reason why I asked it is because it's one of the signs that you are getting addicted to your gadgets. My second question was that in a day, how many hours do you use your gadgets? This question was given answers were 1 or 2 hours were the most common answers, but the rest of them said more than 6 hours. I was so shocked. More than 6 hours spending on gadgets is a lot of time. Then my third question was that in a month, how many days you don't use your gadgets? Well, mostly everyone said that it's more than, they never use it actually. They never do any day without using their gadgets. But around 4 to 5 people said they actually do more than 6 days. They be away from the gadgets more than 6 days. They can control themselves from being away gadgets. And my last question was that do you use gadgets before sleeping? This question got more than 80% of them said they use it. Why I asked is because that if you use gadgets before sleeping, you would have effects on your sleep. Like you won't be able to sleep because you want to know something is happening on your gadgets, or you will wake up in the night remembering that you may get a notification or something. It's scientifically proven that you should use your gadgets more than 1 or 2 hours before sleeping. I'll talk about Steve Jobs. Well, you must have known about Steve Jobs, the maker of iPhone. Well, he had put screen time restrictions on his family because he knew that after a lot of use of that gadgets, it could be really harmful. Preventions. We can prevent gadgets addiction in many ways. I myself prevent gadgets addiction by putting challenges on me, saying that I won't use this type of gadgets for a month and I will get according to it prizes. This kept me from being away from gadgets. Thank you.